Participate, people.
Today is the last day, okay?
What did you get out of this program?
Andrew, you were jumping out of your
Andrew, come on.
Go.
Yeah, go. What did you get out of this program? How did you feel?
Feel easy to conquer the audience. Okay.
You know, today you got so many fans for you.
Wow.
No, everybody likes your speech and you. Right? Thank you. Give a big round of applause. Yeah, Neka? Say something. What did you get? How did you feel?
You know, most people, they're shocked when you say they want to help teach children. They're like, children, it's hard to manage my own. And especially teenagers and pre-teens, it's really hard to teach them. And even though we had to sit for 3 hours there, we really enjoyed it. And it's not like we were just listening to some lecture that we got bored of. I think it was even funner than school. So I had a lot of fun and I learned a lot. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Chetan.
Well, first I was nervous in speaking like this. When I gave my icebreaker, I was pretty bad, and I was able to improve all the speeches, and it helped me conquer my nervousness, and I was able to speak properly in front of the audience.
One of my friends is working for a company for the last 24 years as a vice president. He was telling and finding it so difficult to give an appraisal about his team, 200 people, to MD. He was struggling. But the kind of general evaluation my friend has done today, give a very big round. If you could do same evaluation, that is 50% when you climb your corporate ladder to your CEO or maybe CMD, same kind of evaluation about your team, I will tell you, you will get double promotion. Nowadays people find so difficult to evaluate other person in a positive way. But you can mention 100 bad things in other person. Can you find some good thing for improvement? Your relationship will become much stronger. You will financially become stronger. Please start using all these evaluation skills in your community. People love you so much. People pay per hour a lakh of rupee if you can evaluate properly. Lakh of rupee. Okay? Then who is next? Will you come and share some? A specific question to Trivikram. Trivikram, how would you value those ribbons you got? Will that make a difference, a change to your life?
After every meeting, taking home a ribbon is so much satisfaction. Working hard for it, it feels like I deserve it, I work for it, and motivates me. The next week I should do better, I should get it again. And it was a really good motivation. The ribbons, they mean a lot to me. After every week, ribbon after ribbon, it's a really good feeling.
How do you feel about the entire program?
That certificate there, it means a lot. The program, it was the best summer camp I ever attended. I mean it. And I got to learn a lot of things. And my mentor, Apu. Now, I don't think I can get a mentor more dedicated than him. Before every meeting, I used to meet him here at that same spot and practice my speech. He used to guide me, tell me where I can improve. 3 hours, 4 hours. I never get a more dedicated mentor. I really thank Apu for that. Yes, the idea of taking Toastmasters forward and meeting every month is a really good idea. I think that will be good. Thank you.
My son is always busy in reading books. He has completed all Dan Brown, what is that? Dan Brown books complete series, Harry Potter series, Famous Five series. It's very difficult to get him to Toastmaster for last 4 years. And of course he comes only for some big meetings like an installation ceremonies. But what really inspired me and impressed me was just a month back I was getting ready to go to Toastmasters meeting. I did not ask him. He said, "Dad, I want to come with you to Toastmaster meeting." That time I felt so happy, so glad. Maybe he want to meet his mentor at Sunshine Toastmasters. Thanks Apu, for your inspirational support. I really love your support. Love you so much. Thank you so much. Kruti, Vaishnavi. Yeah, please. Yeah, please. Please do it. Yeah, big round of applause.
Very good evening to everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening.
This program has helped me a lot in terms of getting over my fear of coming out of the stage and just speaking. I still remember in my icebreaker, the first sentence was in our country. In our country, it is by looking at someone's face you can easily determine whatever. And I was sitting there, and before my speech, I think I don't remember which number I was, but I just kept saying that one line before I came up to speak here. And now when I think about it, it just feels so bad. And today's speech, I looked at this sheet I think about 2 hours before I came here. And that's just the difference that's come over me throughout these classes. And I would really like to thank this whole program, our mentors. I mean, they've given so much time to us. Yeah, so just thank you, and I really hope that we get to continue this. Thank you.
People who are sitting in the group and they never have explored in public speaking would really enjoy this story. Once Mullah Nasruddin was invited to give a lecture at a famous organization. He has come and washing his legs, and his wife asked, "Hey Mullah darling, how was your speech went on?" And the Mullah has asked, "What speech you are referring to? The speech that I prepared yesterday, or the speech that I want to give, or actually the speech that I give?" It means lot. So many times we don't prepare, we come here, we just murmur. And we prepare, we come here, forget, we pick up something from spot and we go back. My God, what I prepared, what I have by heart, what I gave, doesn't matter. Have you enjoyed your speech? Have you made other person sitting in front of you drive down a single line message? Enough. So in that way, all of you are actually have conquered all this planet. Give a big round of applause. Abhijit, please, give a big round of applause.
This YLP program has definitely helped a lot. I clearly remember the school days. Whenever teacher used to walk in, and it was our class's turn to give a speech in the assembly, I used to immediately look out inside the window or look at my feet, hoping that the teacher doesn't point at me and ask me to go. But now after this program, I feel in my college, if a teacher asks me to do that, I'm sure I'll be the first one to volunteer for that.
Wow. That is very precise and very straightforward feedback. Thanks Abhijit for that wonderful. I would like to congratulate Abhijit and his parents also. They have joined in this program in the 4th session. The kind of belief trust they have on Toastmasters, I really admire him. Thanks Abhijit. Yeah, thank you parents. Please. The youngest YLP participant.
Before 8 weeks, I was very nervous of public speaking. For I was still nervous. Second one, I was still nervous. After the fourth session, my nervousness reduced. And I also learned a lot about public speaking. And I thank Sunshine to organize this program.
Though Manish looks like he's shivering and nervous right now, I'm telling each one of you, once he becomes big, people sitting in front of him will become nervous and Thank you so much for that very honest feedback.